Hello. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that who don't know me, my name is Peter, or Peter Lundø. I'm a freelance photographer here in Denmark, where I mostly do weddings and portraits and stuff like that. But I also do other things like what I'm going to do today, to do some landscape photography. One of the things that I'm going to do today, I'm going to test out my new thrre tripod, which is the one right there. This is not what this video is going to be about. I'm going to test that tripod and make another video about that, maybe next week or maybe later, when I think I've got the grip of what's going on with that tripod. But today I'm just going out to test it in various places. I've got the whole day. I was expecting it to be sunny from noon, in the middle of the day, but now it seems it's been sunny all morning, and there's been some frost in the grass, and I didn't notice that because I was sleeping, so that's too bad. So I might get up early tomorrow instead. But yeah, sometimes these things happen. I do have a weather app that's supposed to be quite good, and usually it's okay, but well, apparently not today. But these things happen. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my car and drive to various places to see if I can find something to photograph, some woodland, and maybe I'm going to the beach as well. But I don't quite know about that because there's no wind today, so it might be difficult to do any long exposures. But yeah, let's see what we can do, and yeah, let's get out there. So I'm out here in a place called Heather Hill, or Heather Hills, I think it's called. It's some small hills out here with a lot of heather on them. Yeah, that's pretty obvious. And I just noticed this tree up there in the distance, that one, standing up there all by itself, and I thought I'd just give it a go from down here. Set up my tripod right there. I'll see what I can do. There's no real foreground except for that road, so that's not particularly interesting, but I'll see what we can do from here.
I'm tickled pink that things aren't going my way, 'cause that would be boring. Spend my last cent on cheese and champagne. What a wonderful morning.
So I just took a shot out there in the distance. I'll show you that. Show you that right now. Well, it's not much, but the sky is quite nice out there, and the road, and yeah, I just like that view. And over here, I've set up my tripod against the same tree again, but this time backlit, strong backlight, and yeah, and there's not much happening in the sky, but those branches or that stem or trunks in there are quite graphic, and the tree, yeah, it's just a beautiful tree. And I did some verticals and some horizontal shots of this. I will show you them right now.
Give me time to reflect a bit, 'cause I'm just having a good day, having a good day, having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day, having a good day, having a real good morning. Get better from here, but sometimes I wonder, I might have met the love of my life, but I lost a number. Never mind, she declined to the first date. I went to Vegas with a roommate. Never mind all the lines on the highway. I aim to misbehave.
So I actually forgot to tell you that I've never been out here before to photograph. I've been reading about this place for a long time, but yeah, So I'm just walking around finding trees and stuff like that, and I found this one in front of me right there. You can see this very colorful little, well, it's just a little tree, but as you can also see, the sky is, well, boring, and there's a radar or something tower behind that, so I'm zooming in to get a picture here. I don't know if this works. The foreground is not, well, the heather is not blooming anymore, or there's not too much color in it. It's starting to be a bit boring, except for the structures in it. But just take this picture because I like the side lighting and all those leaves. But I have to go fairly high up in ISO, or fairly high. That's, I think I'm about 320. I don't remember. You'll have to see that in the image afterwards. But I don't know if this works. But yeah, I'm just going to take it anyway. And that's also a thing about this. It's also a reconnaissance tour to see if there's anything here that would be worth coming out to photograph, either at sunset or at sunrise. So I've got a few potential trees behind me that might work, but we'll have to see about that.
Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good time. Having a bad day, yeah. A real good morning. A real good morning. A real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. A real good morning. A real good morning.
So the last stop for today is out here in the forest where I've been before. That video with the vintage lenses in the forest, I'll link to that in the description. I was out here photographing basically some ferns and some nice trees and stuff like that. Well, I was trying to. I didn't succeed very much. Some of the images were okay, but now I got my proper gear with me, so I'm going in here to see if I can take some of the same pictures. And also there's some beautiful beech trees up there, and the light is just, well, it's quite great right now, with some patches of sun around, maybe some sun, maybe not sun streaks, but yeah, I'll see what I can do, especially with both a long lens and a short lens here. So, and maybe we can find some mushrooms, some funky or something like that. So we'll see about that. So let's go. So, I don't know if you can see this, but up here, the light is coming from up there, and there's this moss in the foreground. I'll take the camera out here so I can show you. Here, there's all this moss in the foreground and the beautiful light up there, and those two branches up there hanging over. I just like that. I'm not too sure about the composition. This might not work, but I'm going to take the image anyway because the light is so nice up there, so soft light. There's a slight cover of clouds in front of the sun, so yeah, let's take that picture.